I don't feel good.
What happened, dear? Tell me.
My head is heavy and my body feels weak.
Do you feel hot?
Yes, Mama, my eyes are also hurting.
Let me touch your forehead. Oh no, you have a fever.
I don't want to eat dinner. I feel too tired.
It's okay, dear. Just drink some warm water. Then lie down and rest.
Will I be fine tomorrow, Mama?
Yes, dear. Don't worry. Mama is here. Sleep now. Good morning, dear. How are you feeling now?
Mama, I still feel sick. My throat hurts when I talk.
You don't look well. Did you sleep properly?
Not really, Mama. I woke up many times in the night.
Oh dear, okay, no school today. We will go to the hospital.
Do we really need to go, Mama?
Yes, the doctor will check you. He will help you get better quickly.
Okay, but I am scared of doctors.
Don't be scared. Doctors are our friends. Come, wear your sweater. It's cold outside.
Mama, can I carry my teddy?
Yes, dear. Take it with you.
Will the doctor give me an injection?
Maybe not. Maybe only medicine. Don't worry.
Okay, Mama, I trust you.
Good girl. Now let's go.
Mama, the car is moving fast.
Yes, but don't worry. We will reach soon.
I feel a little cold.
Here, take my scarf. Keep warm.
Thank you, Mama. You always take care of me.
Always, dear. You are my little angel.
Mama, so many people are here.
Yes, dear. Many people come to see the doctor.
When will it be our turn?
Soon. Just sit quietly and wait. Do you want some water?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Drink slowly.
Good morning. Please come in.
Good morning, doctor.
What is the problem?
My daughter had fever last night. Today, she has throat pain and weakness.
Okay. Hello, young lady. What is your name?
My name is Ria.
Ria, how old are you?
I am 8 years old.
Good. Now tell me, how do you feel?
I feel tired. My throat hurts. I don't want to eat food.
Okay. Let me check you. Open your mouth. Say ah.
Ah,
Your throat is red. Do you cough sometimes?
yes, doctor, a little.
And do you feel cold or shivering?
Yes, last night.
Okay. You have throat infection and mild fever. It is not serious.
Thank you, doctor. Please give medicine.
Yes, I will give tablets and syrup. She must drink warm water, rest well, and eat soft food.
Okay, doctor, no injection, right?
No injection, only medicine. She will feel better in 3 days.
Thank you, doctor.
You are welcome. Be brave and follow Mama's advice.
Thank you, doctor. I will listen to Mama and get well soon.
Excuse me, doctor gave this prescription.
Okay, please wait a moment.
Mama, what is he doing?
He's getting your medicine ready.
Here you go, tablets and syrup.
Thank you. How should I give her the medicine?
The syrup twice a day and 1 tablet after food.
Mama, will it taste bitter?
Maybe a little, but it will make you strong.
Okay, Mama, I will try to be brave.
Good girl, you will feel better very soon.
Thank you so much. Let's go home, dear.
Yes, Mama, I feel happy now.
Ria, here is your syrup.
Mama, it looks red.
Yes, just a spoonful. It will help your throat.
Will it taste bad?
Maybe a little, but you can drink water after.
Okay, Mama, I will try.
Good girl. Open your mouth.
It's a little sweet.
See? Not too bad. Now drink some warm water.
Thank you, Mama, I feel better already.
That's my brave girl. Soon you will be healthy again.
Mama, can I rest now?
Yes, dear. Go lie down and sleep for a while. And so, after the checkup and medicine, Ria started feeling better day by day. With care, love, and rest, she soon became healthy again. Dear friends, this story shows us the importance of care and love in the family. When we are sick, our loved ones give us strength. Take care of your health. Stay happy. Keep learning English with us.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Beginner English Zone.